Welcome to the True Fitness Service and Documentation YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you two different ways to update the software on your Unite console. First, we will walk you through the process if your console is connected to the internet. If there is an update available, you will see an arrow symbol to the bottom left of the screen on the home screen. Press the software update icon and a new window will appear showing you what software is available. If you press dismiss, you will return to the home screen. If you press update, the passcode entry screen will appear. Type in the appropriate code and you will be directed to the software update screen. You will see a few options for online updates. Software version, CMI Firmware version, System OS build time. In this video, we will show how to update the CMI firmware. Touch that, and the console will connect to the server and start loading the software. When the software update is complete, the console will reboot and take you back to the home screen. You can repeat this process for the software and System OS as well. Once complete, you can get back into maintenance mode to check that your software updates were successful, either on the summary page or back in the software update tab. Now we will show you how to update the console software from a USB drive. With the console on the home screen, take a USB with the latest software update loaded on it and place it into the port on the console. Press and hold the True logo in the top left of the screen until the passcode entry screen appears. Type in the appropriate code and touch the circled checkmark. In the main menu, press Software Update. Under Offline Updates, press CMI Firmware Updates or System OS Update. From the pop-up menu, select the USB files you want to update. In this video, we will again show you how to update the CMI firmware. Press Confirm to continue. The console will begin to update the software. When the software update is complete, the console will show an Upgrade Successful display. Press Exit. You can repeat this process for the software and System OS as well. Remove the USB and then cycle power on the machine to fully apply the changes made by the updates. Once complete, you can get back into maintenance mode to check that your software updates were successful, either on the summary page or back in the software update tab. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other True Fitness Service and Documentation videos for more setup and support tutorials.